my dear friends, and welcome to another video here. I'm Grace, and in this channel you will see a lot of scrapbooking process videos, card making process videos, some organization, craft organization, corner area, room share, and some tips, some items that I try out once, or techniques that I try out once a month, and all those other things that are related to paper crafting. So today, sorry about interruption. One of my kids was needing my help. Anyways, so today in this video, I am going to share how this is really not a new system, but it's new to me, and I'm trying it out. And so far, it's working good. I mean, I wouldn't say that this is the perfect solution for storing alphabets, but so far so good. So I have to tell you first that I have a few ways of storing my alphabet stickers. If they're thickers, they go to a different shelf because they're just all thickers there. And then if they're small, like mini alphas, small letter stickers, they go in a little basket that goes underneath my table. And so everything, all the other letter stickers, doesn't include, well, I guess this is a chipboard, but anything that has a sticker back goes in here. And all of these letter stickers actually used to be in a kind of just an open, one of those file folders, like accordion file folders. I had them there. Now, I have had that file folder for years. I mean, my oldest now is going to be 17 this month, and I've had that folder for at least that many years. So that has worked. But the biggest problem that I've found with that particular storage is that because it's, there might be things that goes inside that file folder that just doesn't see the light of day, if that makes any sense. And so I kind of like this idea of putting them in sheet protectors so I can kind of flip them and see. Now, I think one of the reasons why I'm not seeing those was because they're small. And so whatever was small, I actually did transfer it to my little basket with small letter stickers. So this is basically just an old binder. As you can see, it is kind of exploding here because it's so thick, so I might get a thicker binder, but right now, just as I'm testing this, that I'm just gonna stick with this because I already have it. And then I put just a bunch of sheet protectors here, and then I organized my stickers based off of color because that's how I like organizing my items. There are some items that I like organizing by type or by manufacturer, but for the most part I go by color when it comes to like these kinds of things. So I have white here, I have another white, or this one's black, this one's multicolored, and then it just goes on and on. And I like this idea because then I can flip through it and see it. Now these kinds of things, these, as you can see, this letter sticker, it's almost there's really no letters, pretty much words that I can do with this. I could probably just chuck this. But as you can see, it's easy to pull it in and out of the sheet protector, and I like that idea. I like the idea of flipping through it so I can see it better. And I did try to do like one side. As you flip this, you see one sticker sheet, and then you flip on the other side and you see another sticker sheet. So you don't see the back side of this, because I feel like there's no point in having just one type of sticker in one sheet protector. And so I have this kind, and then another one here. And then some of them I'm overlapping just because I just didn't have enough sheet protectors. I don't remember why I did the things that I did because it's been a while. But I just like this, and I have noticed myself using these kinds of letter stickers a little bit more in the last few months because I had them in this kind of organization. Now, if I remember, I'm going to take a picture of where I have this. This is just sitting on my desk. It's actually because it's so fat, and I'm afraid that I haven't, as you can see, there's no label here. There's nothing fancy with this white binder. I'm afraid that if I put it like so on my on my desk or table that I'm not going to remember that these are alphas. So I actually store them as like this, so that when I am looking, because if I'm sitting down, maybe sitting on this side, that I can see this and I can remember, oh yeah, those are my alphabet stickers. I can use that for titles. So that's where this is living right now. Again, this is a very simple way where I'm storing my big alphabet stickers, not including my thickers because they are in a different size storage, and also not including my mini or my small alphabet stickers. So I hope this has kind of helped you and gave you some ideas on how you can store your alphas. This is nothing new, but I just wanted to try it out for myself, and I do like it. I have to say, I'm the kind of scrapper, or I'm kind of the person that if I don't see it, I forget it. So I like that the sheet protectors are clear. I can quickly flip through it, and because they're in a binder, that I'm not like shuffling through something or like, putting them in the accordion folder, and some of them will just stay on the bottom. I don't know, somehow some of the stickers just stay on the bottom and I just lose them, or I forget that I have them. So if you have any questions, make sure that you leave in the comment section below. And if you like these videos, please consider giving a thumbs up and subscribing. If you are new to my channel or new to my organization storage type of videos, I share an organization tip or storage tip once a month in hopes that I could get my scrapbook room organized by the end of the year. And if I do that, if I continue doing this once a month, I hope to be able to do a scrapbook area share sometime at the end of the year. I do have a playlist for these particular videos, so make sure that you check that out, and I'll try to put the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.